morning, this is Bob Mason from FX Empire and welcome to the daily crypto tech review of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin and Ripple's XRP. We're looking at the day's support, resistance and pivot levels, the moving averages and the Fibonacci's. It is Tuesday the 30th of November. Looking at Bitcoin against the US dollar and the hourly candlesticks, been a mixed start to the day. Going to see Bitcoin move back through the pivot at 57,831 to take a run at the first major resistance level at 58,897. Plenty of support from the broader market would be needed to break out from yesterday's high. Those are 58,888. So barring an extended rally, expect that first major resistance level to cap the upside. In the event of an extended rally, should see Bitcoin target 61,000 levels before any pullback. Second major resistance level sits at 59,955. Failure to move back through the pivot will bring the first major support level of 56,773 into play. Barring an extended sell-off on the day, Bitcoin should avoid sub 56. Second major support level sits at 55,707. Looking at the EMA's 50 has continued to pull away from the 100, providing support through yesterday's late recovery. On the 200, however, we're also seeing the 50 close in, so look out for a possible bullish cross that will support a breakout and bring 60,000 levels into play. So key would be to move through the pivot at 57,831 and break out from 58,500 levels. Failure to do that, and support levels will be in play. Moving cost Ethereum against US dollar also been a mixed morning. Going to need to see Ethereum avoid the pivot at 4399 to take a run at the first major resistance level 4516. Support from the broader market is going to be needed for Ethereum to break out from this morning's high 4493.23. So barring extended rally, that first major resistance level will likely cap the upside. In the event of an extended rally, should see Ethereum target 4700 levels before any pullback. Second major resistance level sits at 4583. Fall through the pivot will bring the first major support level at 4332 into play. Barring an extended sell-off on the day, Ethereum should avoid sub 4200 levels. Second major support level at 4215 should limit the downside. Looking at the EMA's 50 continues to pull away from the 100 and the 200, with the 100 converging on the 200, suggesting a possible bullish cross. So keep an eye out for that. So key would be to avoid the pivot at 4399 and break out through this morning's high to then target 4,700 levels on the day. Looking at Litecoin against US dollar, also a mixed morning. Going to need to Litecoin avoid the pivot at 204 to take a run at the first major resistance level at 212. Support from the broader market will be needed for Litecoin to break out from 210s. So barring an extended rally, that first major resistance level should cap the upside. In the event of an extended rally, should see Litecoin target the 38.2% fib at 223 before any pullback. Second major resistance level sits at 218. A fall through the pivot will bring the first major support level sitting at 198 into play. Barring an extended sell-off on the day, Litecoin should avoid sub 190s. Second major support level at 190 should limit the downside. Looking at the EMAs, the 50 has narrowed on the 100, so look out for a further narrowing and a possible bullish cross to support a breakout through the day. So key would be to avoid the pivot at 204, break back through to 210s to bring resistance levels into play. Failure to do that, support levels will come into play. Looking at Ripple's XRP against US dollar, bullish start to the day. Going to need to Ripple's XRP avoid the pivot at 9859 to take another run at the first major resistance level at 1.0071. Support from the broader market will be needed for Ripple's XRP to break out from this morning's high 1.00655. So barring an extended rally, expect that first major resistance level to cap the upside. In the event of a breakout, should see Ripple's XRP target 1.05s before any pullback. Second major resistance level sits at 1.0231. Fall through the pivot will bring the first major support level at 0.9698 into play. Barring an extended sell-off on the day, Ripple's XRP should avoid second major support level, sitting at 0.9486. Looking at the EMAs, we're seeing the 50 narrow on the 100, so look out for a further narrowing and a possible bullish cross to support a breakout. So key, avoid the pivot at 9859, break through this morning's high and through that first major resistance level at 1.0071 to then target 1.05 levels on the day.